Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to cover the proper steps for submitting a web form to IRCC, whether you're inside or outside Canada. There are various situations that might require you to contact IRCC through a web form, such as updating your address, changing employers, adding a new family member, or requesting urgent processing for a permanent resident travel document, among other reasons. First, it's important to know that there are two types of web forms, one for applicants inside Canada and one for those outside Canada. If you've already submitted your application, a web form submitted from outside Canada will go directly to the embassy, consulate, or high commission in the respective country. If you are inside Canada, your web form will be processed through a triage system and redirected internally to the relevant IRCC office, depending on where your application is being handled, such as in Edmonton or Ottawa. The goal is to ensure your web form reaches the right team as quickly as possible. Now, let's go over how to properly fill out the web form. Be sure to carefully read the instructions, as they may change over time. Generally, you'll be asked to provide your personal details and any relevant supporting documents if needed. Don't forget that you can upload these supporting documents at the very end of the form submission process. When completing the inquiry section, make sure to provide clear information about your case. While you're not required to include your UCI number, Unique Client Identifier, it's strongly recommended to do so. You can find it on your Acknowledgement of Receipt, AOR, or other documents. Your application number is also very important. If you don't include these details, there's a high chance your web form will be returned because IRCC won't be able to locate your application. There is a character limit of 1,500 for the inquiry text, so be concise. However, if you need to provide more details or explain something thoroughly, you can attach a letter and supporting documents to the form. Please note that the total size of your attachments should be no larger than 3.5 MB. Once you've completed the form and attached any necessary documents, you'll click I agree and proceed to submit. The process will take around 5 business days to be updated, though in practice, it may take 45 to 60 days for IRCC to respond, especially as of October 2022. In some cases, IRCC may not directly address your concern, requiring you to submit another web form. For applicants outside Canada, you'll access a slightly different web form. The process is similar, but you'll be asked to specify which visa office is processing your application. For example, if you're applying from Mexico City, you would select the Mexico City visa office. Again, be sure to include your client ID and application number. And remember the 500-character limit. Supporting documents can also be uploaded. Processing times for web forms submitted outside Canada can vary greatly depending on the country and visa office. Some offices respond within a day or a week, while others may take up to 2 months. Once submitted, the web form is processed on a first-come, first-served basis. That's a quick overview of how to submit a web form to IRCC, whether you're inside or outside Canada. Thanks for watching.